toothpaste or whatever it's called. So, first, you need warm water and a cup without water at all. And then you're going to need some scissors, food coloring of whatever color you want, some yeast.
Oh!
I'll get it.
Okay.
Okay, yeast, hydrogen peroxide solution, a water bottle,
Did you say soap?
and a cup,
Good.
and one with water, and some Dawn dish soap. So, first you have to put water in the cup. Yeah. Yeah.
Peroxide, not water.
Oh.
Halfway with peroxide.
Can you?
What are we going to be learning in this experiment?
We are going to be learning how to make an elephant.
Yeah, but what are you learning about chemistry in this lab?
I don't know.
You're going to learn how hydrogen peroxide reacts with yeast.
Oh.
When we put those two together, what do?
Explode.
Those are two different chemicals that are reacting when you put them together.
Okay, halfway with this. Hope it doesn't leak.
It's okay.
Oops. Still feeling a little bit.
Oh, and you want to do this on a tray because it gets pretty messy, right?
So like right there.
We'll probably just put all that in there.
All of it.
Yeah, you might as well.
That's all of it.
Okay. Now, what's our next step?
Smells weird. Oh my gosh, I was gonna do that. I can. Because you don't even need the cap. And then the next step is put scope in water bottle.
Soap.
Soap. I thought it said scope because you wrote it.
So you do want it to be pretty soapy. I'll tell you when to stop, okay? That looks pretty good. Maybe a little bit more just to be safe. The soap is probably also part of the reaction too. All these chemicals mixing together,
4
huh?
seconds of soap.
4 seconds of soap. Now, what's the important part of this step?
Part of the step. Oh, we do need this.
No, we don't. Put the lid on. Oh, yeah, that's the lid for that. Yep. And then what's the most important part? What do we not do in this step?
Shake it.
Yeah, don't shake because we need the bubbles for later, right?
Yeah.
So what do we do? How do we mix it then?
I'll show you guys.
Slowly. Good. Okay, what's our next step?
Put the food color. Okay.
Fun part.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to put a few drops in the water and then kind of
Like
get
4.
some on the side
Like
too.
4 or 5.
Yeah. Good. So when we do it along the side, it's going to make a more colorful reaction.
Oh my gosh, there's a bubble right there. Watch.
Cool. Okay, put the cap on the food coloring. And now what's our next step?
Yeast.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you want to kind of cut the corners carefully because it's going to be very messy. I'm going to cut it over the cap just to be safe.
Is it open?
Okay, now it's open.
Okay, now what do we do with that? We dump
Put
it
it
in
in the cup.
the empty cup, right?
And the empty cup. So if you guys want to see what it looks like the tiniest little maggots ever.
Little maggots?
Maggots, I said.
Maggots?
Maggots.
Maggots? What's maggots?
Baby flies.
Maggots.
They're maggots.
Those are maggots, yeah. Okay, so now we want to pour, here you go. Here's a spoon. Just enough water to get a solution. You don't need to put all the water in it, but just enough to get it wet and stir it up nicely.
That's probably enough, right?
Well, test it out, stir it and see. That's probably good. So we do, it doesn't have to be perfect, right, he said, but we do have to try to get some of the chunks out, right?
Yeah.
Here, flip it so we can see what you're doing. Good job. That looks pretty good. And that's warm water in there, right? That's a pretty important part.
Yeah, you
make
have to
sure
have
it's warm. Yeah. Okay, now what?
Now you put it in the water bottle.
Okay, we'll take everything else off the tray.
That's really important to take everything out.
And it might be pretty messy, so let's wait. Put it in the middle in case it spills all over. Okay, go ahead. Fast. What's happening?
What's happening? Oh.
Pretty neat.
Oh my god. Look at it. That's cool.
It's cool. Chemistry's pretty neat, isn't it?
Yeah, oh my gosh, it just looks like a huge marshmallow coming out of a bottle.
Right.
Bye guys.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you in our next video. Bye. What? Leave a like and subscribe. Bye.